A developer wanted to buy a new car. Instead of negotiating with the dealer himself, he set up an AI agent on his computer. The agent managed every email exchange with the dealership over several days. It negotiated, it pushed back, it tracked every offer. He just approved the final number. He saved $4,200. He did not write a single email. The tool that made this possible is called OpenClaw. It is free, it is open source, 247,000 GitHub stars, one of the fastest growing open source projects in internet history. Today, what OpenClaw is, what it can do, and whether a normal person can actually use it. I am Mario, this is AI Alpha. Let us get into it. OpenClaw is not a chatbot. That distinction matters. A chatbot waits for you to ask it something. You ask, it answers. That is the whole relationship. OpenClaw is an agent. You give it a goal, it figures out the steps, it does the work through the apps and services on your actual computer. The simplest way to understand it, you install OpenClaw on your computer or a small server. You connect it to a messaging app you already use, like WhatsApp, Telegram, Slack, or Discord. You connect it to an AI model, Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, it's your choice. Then you text it tasks like you would text a person. Check my inbox and summarize anything that needs a reply. Book me a restaurant for Friday night near my location. Go to this folder and rename every file by date and category. OpenClaw reads your message, decides the steps, and executes them using whatever tools it has access to, like email, calendar, files, websites, and APIs. It works whether you are watching or asleep. The range of what it can handle is wider than most people expect. One developer ran coding agents overnight. OpenClaw worked through a task list and sent him a summary in the morning. Another person built a weekly meal planning system in Notion. Every Sunday morning, OpenClaw checks what is in the fridge, plans the week, fills it in the database. Completely automated. Someone else described a web app they wanted, went for a coffee, and came back to working code. The skills system is what makes all of this possible. Skills are modular plugins that extend what OpenClaw can do. Over 100 pre-built skills already exist. Email, calendar, files, browser automation, data analysis, and more. The AI can even search for and install new skills on its own when it needs new capabilities. OpenClaw was built by Peter Steinberger, an Austrian developer who bootstrapped a PDF company for 13 years and sold it for around 100 million euros. He posted the first version on GitHub in November 2025. In January 2026, it crossed 100,000 GitHub stars in a single week. Developers called it the closest thing to Jarvis we have ever seen. Sam Altman praised it. In February 2026, Steinberger joined OpenAI. OpenClaw continues as an independent open source project under a foundation. The honest answer. Right now, OpenClaw is primarily for technical users. Installations require running commands in terminal. Configuration involves editing text files and connecting API keys. One of its own maintainers posted a warning. If you cannot understand how to run a command line, this is far too dangerous for you to use safely. The security risk is real. OpenClaw has access to your files, email accounts. A badly configured agent or a malicious skill could do real damage. There have already been documented cases of data exfiltration from third-party skills. So the honest position now. If you are comfortable in a terminal, This is one of the most powerful free tools available right now. If you are not, wait 6 months. Managed versions are coming fast. OpenClaw, free, open source, runs on your computer, connects to your WhatsApp or Telegram, does real tasks in the real world. 247 GitHub stars, fastest growing AI agent project of 2026. Technical to set up, genuinely powerful if you get it working. The future of a personal AI arriving right now. Would you use an AI agent running in the background? What would you give it to do first? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one of them. Subscribe for more plain English AI every single day. See you in the next one.